Bye, Willie. We had fun. We're about to have a lot more fun. Hey, what up, y'all? We're here in the new project. Yeah, 1970 Mercury Monterey. This thing supposedly has 70,000 miles on it. I found some issues on it that I've been going through. I believe it needs a timing chain. The carburetor was adjusted wrong. I went through and did a basic tune-up on it. It needs some upper control arm bushings. Other than that, this thing's a gem. Big block, 390. Runs fantastic. And basically what we're gonna hit on this video is just a little intro to this. I took the effort to clean up the wheels real nice on this mother. I took it over to my buddy Kyle's garage. We slammed it down to the ground, and I'm just out cruising this thing. So check the video out. Hope y'all enjoy. Doses. What up, guys? So what we got here is our pretty much ready for paint wheel, and I'm sure you've seen this a million times on YouTube especially, is we're just gonna go with the note card method. But myself in particular, I've always noticed that everyone skips what I feel is a really important step. I see everyone just stick these cards in here just kind of nonchalantly. If you take the effort to let the air out of the tire, you can put a little bit of downforce on the bead here, stick that note card in there, and you are going to get a significantly better paint line here. Look, those cards are completely in there. There's not any paint getting in between that. So take the effort to let the air out of the tire. Wow. Alright guys, so got the wheels done. I'll probably clean up the white walls a little bit some more here before too long, maybe before the cruise. But what we are doing real quick, and I would like to add, this isn't the proper or necessarily the safest way to do this, but I am over at my buddy Kyle's house, who also has his own YouTube channel, Kyle's Garage. Check it. I've mentioned it before. I'll link it one way or another. We're gonna bust out these torches, heat up these coil springs here, and I'm gonna try to get about 5 inches of drop out of this. And the rear ends, I think I'm gonna get away with just cutting a little bit off of the coil, but we're gonna drop these beasts down to the ground. Hi Kyle.
Buddy?
What are you doing?
Nothing, just making cars unsafe.
Doing lowrider stuff?
Yeah, I guess it's not really unsafe as it is cool.
Look how mushed that coil is.
It looks really bad.
I can feel the car lowering on me. I'm gonna check it.
Okay.
This is pretty solid down here, man.
It really is.
I mean, it's rusty and ugly, but
the springs are quite literally on fire. It's lowering. Oh my God, it's lowering fast.
I can feel the tension coming down on me. Oh yeah.
Keep it going, baby.
That makes me happy. That makes me much happy. Wow. Alright guys. Here she is. After just about a day and a half of work cleaning up these wheels. Dropping this thing down to the ground, man. It's night and day difference. And driving it, you can't even tell, man. This thing still just rides like you're sitting in your living room. Nice and smooth like on the couch, man. Check this thing out, man. Typical wear and tear on the driver's seat, but otherwise spotless. Same thing in the back. Flawless. There's also no pillar right here, so when you open the doors, it's literally completely open. hood prop is actually tucked up here in the lights, or the hood pop. Here's our 390. It needs exhaust manifold. Gasket's really bad. I mean, I can rev this thing and actually watch it spit fire. But as you can tell, it runs fantastic. Unfortunately, those exhaust manifold bolts, very typical for the Eppy engines, are seized into that block. So in order to get those out, I'm gonna have to break them, tap them, do the whole process. Maybe even have to pull the heads, but check this thing out. Even up trade for the Willies. Basically a day's worth of work. Look how sick that thing is. That's all I got for you on this episode, guys. I'm really excited about this car. Again, thank everyone. 106 subscribers now. Thank you. Subscribe, like, share, comment, thumbs up, thumbs down. Doesn't matter, man. Reactions are reactions. Thank you for hanging out. Plenty more to come on this, and on this, and on this. So, stay tuned. Deuces.